Okay, are we in? Now let me take control of my ship again.
Yeah, we're just doing a HOTAS test on Star Wars Squadrons. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. See where it goes.
Okay, I'm trying to reset the position to enter the hyperspace ring. The rendezvous point. Okay. I have control. Alright, that's the neutral button. The other part of Vanguard Squadron are in a bit of a pickle. Okay, that's a.
Oh, you're right on time. Let's finish on that ties.
I need to get them.
No need to thank me. I'll pay you back for that.
He's down. Ooh la la. That'd be a big bang.
Imperial reinforcements. Another Gozanti with ties.
A Gazani.
And we take them out too.
That's easy. If I can actually get my aim straight. And boom! We have one down.
He just jumped out of the system. Running scared, I bet. You're safe.
It's just,
That's all the TIE fighters.
it's a hit and run. Hey, he's a U-Wing. Get back here, A-Wing. Requesting a supply. When needed, you can request a supply droid. From your support starfighter. The supply droid will temporarily attach to your ship, repairing your hull and restocking you for armaments. Okay. 8.
That'll patch up your hull and stock up your ordnance. Follow me. On your way.
Hey, I have boost. I forgot how to use boost. How do you? Okay, that's not boost. Where is boost?
Vanguard, we have an Imperial cruiser protecting the last of the jammers. Taking down these ships ain't gonna be easy. Well, the cruiser has a missile launcher. We'll keep our countermeasures ready. What's our play? If we take out the jammers first, we can call the Temperance for reinforcements. That's why you're in charge, Cubby. Vanguard 5, focus on the jammers. You bet.
Jammers. That's a light cruiser. Okay, I can take it. Who are you guys? Okay, there's a squadron of TIE fighters, and those are jammers.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
I got you. I'm in formation.
Press 6. I gotta be ready for those incoming missiles at any moment. Take out the jammers.
Seems they've locked on.
4, 5, 6, 7. He said that if you're locked on by a missile, have your HOTAS on half and jerk sharply 7 times with engines. Blow it, blow it. turret's shield?
Enemy locked on.
I wish I could use missiles.
Excuse me. Got them. Let's finish off the last one.
How did I get hit? We have incoming.
Enemy has me in their sights.
Below. I can see it's covered by a large shield. How it's emitted, I don't know. But I can enter it. Oh, I just think I dealt a heavy hit.
Enemy's locked on. Enemy is down.
Oof!
That is the last of their jammers. New Republic communication should be restored. Commander Jays, if you read me, we need reinforcements on my position.
You're loud and clear, Gunny. Help is on the way.
Christ, we need bombs on that ship.
You got a kill.
I'm gonna run a bombing hit. We've got a turret. I'm gonna go for the turret.
Backup has arrived.
Empire's in trouble now.
I think I found a turret. Turret will not live. Turret is down.
Get locked on.
You got a lock on me.
I could use one of these.
You're in the clear.
Hit and run. Hit and run.
Cruiser destroyed. Not bad, Vanguard 5.
That looks beautiful.
Temperance, this is Vanguard Squadron. Mission accomplished.
Sure is, Vanguard. Communications are restored across the sector. I knew you'd work well together.
Okay.
I'm grateful to command such a strong squadron. Come on back to the Temperance.
Thank you, Commander Chase. We'll celebrate a job well done at the cantina. Come on, Vanguard, let's get out of here.
Cruising. Cruising with style. Beautiful. Oof. That was fast.
Great work, team. First round's on Frisk.
Welcome home, Vanguard. No time for celebration, I'm afraid. We have a visitor and a mission. I think you'll be interested.
Let's go. Nice. Okay. Continue, I guess. Also, they added new starships, like a B-Wing and a TIE Defender. TIE Defender is a triple-sided TIE fighter. I'd like to inspect you. What about you, Gunny and Kyo?
The Empire won't push into our territory again anytime soon.
Thanks to our new pilot.
Yeah, and thanks to the rest of us. This isn't a race, all right? We're a team.
You're right, Gunny. But still, nice flying out there.
Speaking of fancy flying, I was thinking about the Dragon Void run from a few years back. You see that one, Kyo?
Oh, sure. I caught the whole thing on the HoloNet.
Yeah, me too. I watched the entire thing, but for the life of me, I can't recall
Is
who
there
won.
not a button for
think it was
missiles,
one
or
of
we
the
don't know what it
Ashwins.
is yet?
No,
You don't know
wait.
what the button
Dylan
is
Boone.
yet.
Yeah, that's it.
is there,
Boy, he was
because you got
something
4
else
fire
back
buttons
then.
on the stick, right?
In fact, the only
Full?
pilot
I
I've
didn't know they
seen
were
that
all
comes
fire. I got a
close
marking
since is
button.
Keo
Oh,
here.
okay.
Oh,
So there's
come on.
one there,
Deltabook's got 9
there's
championships
another
under
one
his
at
belt.
the front.
I've only got 5.
Well, fun as this is, Commander Jade says
Right,
someone
4
special
buttons.
waiting for us in the briefing room.
You can go to
Let's get in there and find out what's next.
Oh
Commander's
no, that.
waiting.
What, here?
Is that you?
Yes.
So that's to do with me.
Yeah, it's got nothing to do with you. I guess I continue with the story.
Yeah, you can check buttons, and I think if you pause, there's a control menu.
Okay, I'll see if I'll pause. Controls. 6 to
What is that thing in the middle of the screen? Stop, don't touch anything. No, that was me, I told you. I told you that was me and not you.
What?
The arrow in the middle of the screen.
What arrow? I don't see
Oh,
any.
never mind.
There was a dot that was for the.
Yeah, that was, I just moved that.
Because it's transferred to mouse and keyboard now.
What?
When you move the mouse, everything transfers to keyboard
How can
and
you
mouse.
still move? Can you still move stuff?
If you use the correct button.
Good. So, do what we were going to do before.
1 fire, 3 is left auxiliary, 4 is right auxiliary. I don't know what those are. 6 is countermeasures, and okay, so there's only like 3 buttons for blasting here.
3 is enough, huh?
Yep. I don't even know what the auxiliaries are. I never used auxiliaries. Well, I'll find out why they're useful.
Okay.
And
Stop jumping your head around. Stop for a sec.
you can drift?
Okay. Hop back in.
Okay, 2 to close. I guess I move on with the story. Briefing.
So where is it now?
I helped Talus Group chase it away from a medical convoy towards Yavin. It's pinned in the upper atmosphere with no hyperdrive, but too many fighters for Talus Group to handle alone.
Okay.
This might work out for both of us. Come, meet our visitor.
Wedge Antilles, Rogue Squadron. I hear you're the reason I was able to finally get a comm through. I
Which
have a Star
Antilles?
Destroyer problem that Vanguard might be able to help me solve.
We need a Star Destroyer for Project Starhawk, intact. Now we prove what Vanguard's made of. Wedge, if you would.
Wedge. Time to start some briefing.
As you may have overheard, Talus Group has cornered the Imperial Star Destroyer Victorum, above the planet Yavin. They're in tough, but it's presented a great opportunity for us to jump in and not only disable that Star Destroyer, but to seize control. So first, we need to give ourselves some cover by knocking out the turrets. Naturally, if we can also take out the targeting system, that'll buy us even more time. Next, we need to prepare the Star Destroyer for boarding. You'll need to find a potential breach point in the Victorum's hull, preferably near the bridge. Once you find a good spot, bombard it until the hull is breached. However, we can expect that the Victorum still has plenty of TIE fighters. They will try to stop us. Once the skies are clear, we can bring in the boarding team. While our troops capture the bridge, Vanguard will defend the exterior from reinforcements. Once the boarding team has seized the bridge and is in control of the Star Destroyer, we'll rendezvous with the Templates. Okay, I think I accidentally made stealing a Star Destroyer sound simple. Let's hope it is.
Okay, where's the 4 buttons over here? Should I talk to Lieutenant Ardo and Wedge, or should I just continue with the mission?
Continue with the mission because we need to test.
Okay. Preparing for launch.
The commander wants you in an X-Wing for this mission. Got you outfitted with ion missiles. They disable enemy fighters and they'll disable subsystems on enemy capital ships too.
Okay. Let's go.
Yavin Prime. This place always brings back memories. Let's hope for some of that Skywalker luck today. All right, ready, Vanguard? We're heading for the heart of the action.
Vanguard, follow his lead.
This is Talus Leader, calling for immediate assistance.
Captain Antilles with Vanguard Squadron. Here to help.
It's damn good to see you, Wedge. We've taken heavy losses. We need that Star Destroyer stopped.
Don't you worry. We're here to hijack it.
You're what?
Be ready.
Interceptors. Those have got to be the first to go.
Agreed. They're fast. They work right through our fighters. Vanguard, prioritize targets.
Let's destroy them fighters.
I'm with you.
What is wrong with my language today? Okay.
Got you.
I always pay my debts. Eventually.
That's it. Push the Imperials back.
You got it.
The Star Destroyer just launched a new swarm of Tyler.
This is getting fun.
Stay sharp.
We have some down there. Ion weapons. How do you fire them? One, two, three, 4, 5.
Enemy's tailing you.
Nope.
Keep flying. That's almost all of them. Then don't stop now.
Well, I think I can pretty much survive without ion weapons for now. Okay, I hope nothing goes horribly wrong. Enemy locking.
That's it. All ties down. Good
Okay.
job, Vanguard.
All ties
I'll
are
pay you
down.
back for that.
Okay, regroup on Talus, Leader.
I'm going for the more tactical choice of
Wedge,
taking
we've
a...
taken heavy losses. We need to make a few repairs, then get ourselves out of here.
Roger that, Talus, Leader. And don't worry about the Imperials. We'll keep them busy.
You're really gonna steal that Star Destroyer?
That's the plan.
What is it that you don't?
Okay, Vanguard, on me. Let's head for the Victorum.
an ion weapon button.
Focus your shields before they open fire on us.
7th, open up the shield focus selector.
Knock out its targeting system.
Let's do it. Button in one part.
Putting power to forward shields. All that damage, and this thing still has teeth.
It makes a faster sound.
Chasing it in. I wanted to see the Victorium go up in flames, but stealing it, I like that even better.
I'm gonna blow up the tactical part of it. Gaming system. I'm gonna give him a lot of time.
Star Destroyer targeting's out for good.
Here and done.
The U-Wings can get in safely.
This is our chance to capture that Star Destroyer. If we take the bridge, we'll have access to its internal systems. Scan for a breach point, so we can send an aborting team. You're up, 5.
Bridging a Star Destroyer, just like the old days.
Look out, Vanguard. We got a gunny story incoming.
5 hasn't heard it. Here, we can send the team in here.
Imperial fighters incoming.
5, give it a punch, will ya?
Okay, time to blow something up.
Oh no!
Enemies locked on.
Hey, 5, how about you breach that breach point?
That was a close one.
Clearing a path.
Enemy is persistent.
Right in the trash chute. Now, push those last fighters back. Clear the skies. These Imperials just keep coming.
Time to blow up some enemies.
Keep up the pressure. I'm in formation.
You heard the droid. Fell
One,
on my tail.
2.
The interceptor's on me. Can't shake 'em. Vanguard 5, help him out.
I think it's this one.
It's here.
Taking damage.
I see a squad of interceptors. I see them. They're being very intercepting. Oh, I got one. Get back here, you little.
Get over to help Frisk. One more for me. Lucky I was around, huh?
You're too kind.
Don't stay in the clouds too long. Even this high up, the heat's gonna strip your hull.
Okay.
Deflector shield are down.
You're taking me apart. Fine, where are you? I'm done for. I'm on it. That's it. All fighters destroyed. Got it. Thanks, Wedge. Fighter took a beating, though. Great work. U-Wings are on their way. We can bring the boarding team in safely. Follow me to the rendezvous. We'll give them cover.
Vanguard, let's go.
Wedge. I see you, Wedge. What are you doing, Wedge? Wedge!
Morning, team. We have you on our sights. Ready to take on a Star Destroyer? Copy, Captain Antilles. Just get us there and we'll do the rest. You heard him, Vanguard. Guide those U-wings into position. Stay sharp.
What about the Star Destroyer's crew?
If our boarding party takes the bridge, they'll slice internal security systems. The crew won't be a problem with no computer access, and all the blast doors locked.
We've got an Imperial carrier. They're launching reinforcements.
They're not giving up the Victoria without a fight. Vanguard, take down that cruiser.
This is Quasar. Advanced targeting. So targeting to flagship systems to focus on some systems at least.
Okay, before you jump into the next part, I'm gonna jump out of the recording. Yeah.
Okay.
So just say we were just testing stuff.
We were just testing stuff and yeah, it was cool. Interesting.
Say thanks and bye.
Thanks, hope you enjoyed this as well and see you later.